Do you know what happens when you eat French fries? If you don't know, then today I will tell you what happens when you eat French fries. And first, please subscribe my YouTube channel. When you eat French fries, the process inside your body begins instantly. As the crispy fries enter your mouth, enzymes in your saliva start breaking down the starch into simple sugars. The journey continues through the esophagus and into the stomach, carrying carbohydrates, fats, and salt along the way. Inside the stomach, French fries are mixed with digestive acids. Because they are fried in oil, digestion takes longer compared to fresh or fiber-rich foods. The stomach works harder, slowly breaking the food down into smaller particles. This can make you feel full quickly, but also heavy. Next, the partially digested fries move into the intestines. Here, glucose from the starch is rapidly absorbed into the bloodstream. This causes a quick rise in blood sugar levels, delivering a short burst of energy to the body. In the brain, this glucose spike can increase alertness and improve mood for a short time. That's why fries often feel satisfying or comforting. In the muscles, glucose is used as fuel, helping the body feel energized, briefly. But there's another side to this story. Because French fries are high in oil and low in fiber, digestion slows down. Excess fats may be stored in the body if they are not used for energy. High sodium levels can also affect fluid balance, potentially leading to bloating or thirst. As blood sugar rises quickly, it can also fall quickly. This sudden drop may lead to fatigue, low energy, or hunger shortly after eating. Over time, frequent consumption of fried foods may stress the digestive system and contribute to weight gain. This doesn't mean French fries are poison. In moderation, they are simply a source of quick energy. The problem starts when they replace balanced meals or are eaten too often. Your body is incredibly intelligent. It can handle occasional indulgence. But it always performs best when fueled with variety, balance, and nutrients. French fries may look simple on the outside, but inside your body, they trigger a complex chain of biological reactions. Understanding this process helps you make smarter choices, not by fear, but by awareness. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and get more information about vegetables and fruits. And please keep watching my YouTube channel.